Hey guys, in this video, we are going to tell you about a few apps and software which you have not heard of. You can replace or use them as an alternative if you care about your privacy. Let's get started. This video has an overall 7 categories. Let's begin with the first one, which is search engine. DuckDuckGo, founded in 2008, is still widely used by ethical hackers and bureaucrats. Why should you use DuckDuckGo instead of Google? Google tracks you, but DuckDuckGo doesn't. It blocks Google trackers lurking everywhere. You get unbiased results outside the filter bubble. Search results aren't loaded up with ads. Second one is Startpage. It was founded in Netherlands and is the best private search engine. Just to let you know, we use Startpage too. The best feature is that it doesn't collect search history and hides our IP address from all the global servers. Third is QuantSearch, which is a French search engine launched in 2013, which works on the principle of privacy. And an exciting feature about Quant is that it doesn't collect or track ads related cookies, so you don't get personalized ads. Coming up with the second category is messaging apps. Taking up the first one we have is Signal. Signal is an open source app being developed by donations as its funding. Moreover, it is a true end-to-end encryption by default. Sleek and minimal design with enhanced privacy settings makes this app the best messaging app. The second one is Wire, used by enterprises and professionals. Wire provides the strongest security for organizations looking to protect their communications and document sharing. It's a paid app that offers you true end-to-end encryption for almost $6 for the pro version and $10 for the enterprise version on a monthly subscription basis. Coming up with the third one is Threema. Threema can be used completely anonymously, which means it does not require any phone number or email address. You just have to pay once to chat forever. No collection of user data and fully open source. They do have a free trial for 60 days. After that, you have to pay a $3 or 270 rupees. Taking up with the third category is browsers. First one is Brave browser. Brave is a free and open source web browser developed by Brave Software. It is based on the Chromium web browser. It's 3 times faster than Chrome and has better privacy by default than Firefox. It also uses 35% less battery on mobile phones. Coming up with the second, we have the Vivaldi browser. What makes Vivaldi different from Chrome, Firefox, and Safari? It is built with a focus on privacy and comes with amazing features like notes, screen capture, image properties, and a lot more. Tor browser. It's a hacker's favorite browser. Tor is a free and open source software for enabling anonymous communication by directing internet traffic through a free worldwide volunteer overlay network consisting of more than 7,000 relays to conceal a user location and usage from anyone conducting network surveillance or traffic analysis. Coming up with the fourth category, we have VPNs. What is a VPN? A VPN is a virtual private network that gives you online privacy and anonymity by creating a private network from a public internet connection. VPNs mask your IP address so your online actions are virtually untraceable. So taking up with the first one we have is ExpressVPN. Go online safely with a blazing fast speed in just a few taps with ExpressVPN. Engineered to protect your privacy and security. It has a 7-day free trial, which you can download for free on your Android phone, tablet, TV, PC, Linux, or even Mac. Second is NordVPN. Download NordVPN right now to enjoy fast, private, and secure internet in an instant. Powerful encryption for top-grade security, VPN protocols from OpenVPN, NordLynx, based on WireGuard, unlimited data for internet freedom, and over 5,000 servers worldwide for turbo speeds and many more. The fifth category we have is apps and software. Bitwarden. Bitwarden is a free and open source password management service that stores sensitive information such as website credentials in an encrypted vault. Bitwarden offers the easiest and safest way for teams and individuals to store and share sensitive data from any device. You should use it as an alternative to Google Password Manager. Next we have is Awesome Ant. It's an offline mobile apps and navigation map which is available on both iOS and Android. It uses the OpenStreetMap database for its primary display but is an independent app not endorsed by OpenStreetMap Foundation. Enjoy voice and visual offline navigation, viewing points of interest, creating and managing GPS tracks, using contour line visualization and altitude info, and a lot more. They also have a paid version of the app which you can purchase for extra benefits. ScriptPad can be used as an alternative to Jisoo. ScriptPad is built to enable collaboration while keeping data private. All content is encrypted and decrypted by your browser. This means documents, chats, files, and are unreadable outside of the session where you are logged in. Even the service administrators do not have access to your information. Picking up the next category we have is email, Proton Mail. Proton Mail is an end-to-end encrypted and anonymous email service founded in 2013 by scientists who spent time at CERN research facility. Features include end-to-end encryption, anonymous email, open source, and modern inbox design. They also have paid plans for extra features. The seventh category we have is operating system. And the first one is OpenBSD. OpenBSD is a security focused, free, and open source Unix like operating system. Features include portability, standardization, correctness, proactive security, and integrated cryptography. Coming up next is EOS. EOS is an open source mobile operating system paired with carefully selected applications. They form a privacy enabled internal system for your smartphone. E is a de-Googled version of Android OS. It has an open source Android OS core with no Google apps or Google services accessing your personal data. You can still use Google apps using micro-G services. The last is Kali Linux, a hacker's favorite OS. Kali Linux is a Debian-derived Linux distribution designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. Download Kali right now to see its amazing inbuilt apps and features. It also has a mobile version named Kali NetHunter, based on Android Core, that is available for specific devices. Wrapping up this video with a bonus tip. Never download apps or softwares from a non-secure website because they may contain spyware in them which can access your files without you knowing about them. If you want to see a video on the best hacking operating system, comment down on the comment section. Watch this amazing video to convert your text to handwriting. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, press the like button, and if you love it, press the subscribe button to learn more about new apps and various other things upcoming on this channel.